get started. Now, using our paddle attachment, we are going to combine 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of butter softened. And you're going to give it a mix until it's nice, light, and creamy. All right, and once that's ready, we're going to add in 3 eggs. All right, and now we are adding 1 can, which is 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and sift 2 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. We have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a pinch of salt. So now we have 1 cup of buttermilk, and we are going to alternate adding it into our pumpkin mixture with our dry ingredients. And into our 350-degree oven it goes. All right, so now let's make our frostings. We're gonna start by creaming together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 8 ounces of cream cheese. All right, so now we're gonna add 1 cup of confectioner's sugar that we sifted, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice cream liquor. You can replace this with vanilla extract instead. So our cupcakes baked for about 30 minutes. Of course, every oven is different, so make sure to keep an eye on them. And we let them cool, and now we can finally decorate them.